Thank you to any parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, boyfriends, girlfriends, grandparents, aunties, uncles, anyone who brought anyone to the show tonight. Thank you so much. We love you. And we appreciate you coming. We hope you've had fun. Ooh, disposable, old school. Okay. Again, we will never be able to thank you enough for all the support that you guys have given us, so thank you so much for being here. We hope you've had fun. Did you have fun? Okay. Are you okay? We have quite a lot left. So I'm going to get on with it. This is story of my life. That's not appropriate by any standards, is it?